Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make envelope art. Yes, those things that you send in the mail, I'm going to show you how to make an artwork version. So, couple things you're going to need some cardstock, marker color of your choice for the background here, and this to make it look like a real envelope. So, here is what you do, and I'm using the Mondo Llama paint pen for this. You can use colored pencils, you can use markers, you can use whatever you like. I just wanted to use these. Alright, so shake it up. Alright, so this is what my background looks like. So now what I'm going to do is take this marker, which I have not used yet, so I gotta find a blank piece of paper here. Here we go. Alright, so now what I do is I go from right here and yes, it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Looks like an envelope. Pretty cool, huh? And then if you really wanted to get fancy, you could do a different color envelope on this side, hang it on the wall like this, and hang it on the wall like this. But there you go. You put this in a picture frame, you put it on a table. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.